Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all. So today I'm going to continue our project for this data mining course subject. So this is our milestone 2, store data into Hive data warehouse. So this is our project name, crude oil, WTI and Brent price prediction. For milestone 1 we have done the scraping. And then for this milestone 2, we are going to store the data from CSV file into Hive data warehouse. Okay, so I'm going to start. Okay, this is the step that we have to do to store the data into Hive data warehouse. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to install Apache Hadoop into the Ubuntu. For me, I'm using Ubuntu OS for my machine to install Apache Hadoop into this machine. So I'm using VirtualBox. So this is my Ubuntu OS. You can see here, this is the OS on my right side. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to install Apache Hadoop in Ubuntu. This is the prerequisite that you need to do before installing Hadoop. Okay, the first thing is this is the command that you need to type. Sudo apt get update is to update latest distribution software for your machine. And then you also need to install OpenSSH server. This SSH is mainly used so that the master node can stay connected with the slave node. Okay, and next, this is the very important. You need to have Java inside your machine before you can install Hadoop. Okay, you just need to type the command sudo. Before that, you need to open the terminal. You can see here, this is the terminal. You just need to type sudo apt get install open jdk 8 jdk. That's the only command. Then you just need to enter. Then it will automatically install Java. After installation, you can check the Java version by typing Java version. Okay, you can see this is my Java version 1.8.0. I also print screen and put inside the documentation. Okay, after you have finished install the Java, you can proceed with the installation of Hadoop. Okay, you can download the file, the tar.gz file from Hadoop website, or you just type this command into your terminal, and then it will automatically download this Hadoop version of file. After you have downloaded this file, you need to unzip and install using this command tar -xzf hadoop. This is your file, installation file that you have downloaded. So make sure the Hadoop is inside your home directory. This is your home directory. You can see here, I've installed Hadoop inside my home directory, that is home zm Hadoop. Okay, once you have installed Hadoop, you have to set your Hadoop environment sh file. You need to put the Java home file inside the Hadoop env sh file. Okay, to access the file, you can use any editor that you familiar. For me, I'm using Nano. You can also use vi or gedit, depend on which editor you comfortable with. So you just type Nano home. My name's Hadoop etc Hadoop, then Hadoop env sh. Okay, enter. So once you have enter, you will open the file and you can edit. Okay, you just put this text here, export Java home, and then this is where your Java path. You put where your Java path inside this file. Okay, that's all. Then you just save this file by using Ctrl O or Ctrl X. Okay, done. Then we move next. Once we have installed the Java and also Hadoop, we can test to run the Hadoop. Okay, before we can run the Hadoop, you need to set the bash file to allow easy Hadoop function access. Okay, you just need to edit this bash rc file. To open and edit file, just type nano home and the bash file. Okay, for me this bash file is inside this home directory. Okay, enter. Okay, then you move to the below down here and you put the export path. Okay, this is for the Hadoop configuration. You need to put where the Hadoop path that you have installed. Okay, once done, you save and exit. Then you can test the Hadoop, whether the Hadoop is running or not, by typing Hadoop at the terminal. Okay, you can see here, if you can get this message, then your Hadoop is running in a good condition. You can also check the Hadoop version by typing Hadoop version. There, I'm using Hadoop 2.7.7. Okay, after you have installed this Hadoop and the Hadoop is working fine, you can move next to configure the HDFS, Hadoop file system, MapReduce and Yarn. Okay, you need to open this HDFS site XML and put all these command, all this property inside the file. Similar to just now, you just need to type nano your home directory, where is your Hadoop located. Hadoop HDFS XML. Okay, there. Put all the properties. Where is the Hadoop located? Your Hadoop path, you put here, and all this property, the name and value. Just follow this slide. Okay, and then it goes same to this core site XML. You also need to define the local host and the port here. You just follow this configuration, type and save. Okay, then once finished, you move to configure MapReduce and yarn. This is also the same. You need to copy all these property and put inside this XML file. This is for the MapReduce, and the other one is for the yarn site. Okay, once you have finished the configuration, the setting and save, you can start the HDFS name node and all the services. Okay, you just need to type run HDFS name node format. Okay, this is the command, and you run all the sh to start the HDFS and yarn. Okay, you can check. I've run this command. Okay, you can check whether the service is running or not by typing jps. Yeah, okay. You can see here, this is my data node, secondary name node manager, name node and resource manager. So the service is working properly, and also you also can check by using browser. Okay, open your browser inside your OS, check your machine Ubuntu, type localhost, and this is the port for the name node. If you can see this page, then your name node is working properly. This goes to, you can also check the secondary node. This is the port 50090. Okay, this is also working well. Can close. So you have configured your Hadoop, your MapReduce, your yarn, and everything is working properly, and also your HDFS. So next we can move to install the Hive. Okay, to install the Hive, you can download the file from this website, from the Apache website, and then you can unzip and install using tar, similar to the command that you installed Hadoop just now. And also you need to edit the bash file so that you can use Hive command anywhere within the in the terminal. Okay, so you just need to open the bash file. See, open. Okay, just now we have configured this Hadoop configuration path, and now we want to put the Hive configuration path. You put this path using where your home directory and where you have installed your Apache Hive. Okay, then you can save. Okay, once you have installed and configure the Hive, you can create the warehouse folder inside HDFS. Okay, this is the data warehouse. This is the command hdfs. You can test the hdfs command whether it's working or not by typing hdfs. So this command is working. So you can use hdfs, dfs, and make the directory inside your hdfs. Okay. Okay, I'm using user Hive warehouse. Okay, I have created this warehouse. After you have created, you need to change mode. Let's see, I can search the warehouse hdfs, dfs, ls, user. Okay, you can see here I've created user Hive. This is where the location for the Hadoop database. Okay, after you have created the Hive warehouse, you need to change the permission to the directory using this command hdfs dfs change mode -ch mode g group plus w write access for this warehouse, and also for the temp folder tmp. After you have finished, after you have finished all the formation, you need to initiate this Derby. Okay, this Derby is a database engine inside Hive. You can use either Derby, MySQL, or Oracle for this Hive. So for me, I'm using Derby. You just need to type schema tool, okay, -db type Derby init schema. Okay, this is the command. Once you have enter, it will create it will create this metastore db inside your machine. So if you have this metastore db, then you can use your Hive and start creating database and table. Okay, we move next. Now we want to run the Hive by using Hive command. Type Hive. Okay, it will take some time to run. Okay, once ready, it will give you this terminal Hive. Okay, you can list all the database inside the Hive by using this command show databases. You can see here we have two database, default and crude oil. The crude oil, I just created this database, okay, by using this command create database crude oil. And then you can also show tables. Okay, we have two tables here, crude oil brand and crude oil WTI. This is the table that we are going to use to load the CSV file into the data warehouse. Okay, before that, I'm going to show you how to create table. Okay, this is how we create table. This is the table name, and also this is the column name. Okay, you can You can assign what is the variable for this, what is data type for this column. And also I'm using table properties skip header line count 1, meaning that you don't want to input the header for the CSV file. We're going to use the second row as the data and not the first row, because the first row is for the header. So let's see here. I'm going to create one more table to show you. Crude oil WTI test. Okay. Yep. Created. We show the table here by using show tables command. There we have 3 tables here. This is the one that I have created just now. Crude oil Brent, crude oil WTI, and crude WTI test. Okay. So we move next. For this project, I've created two tables because we have 2 type of oil, crude oil. One is Brent, one is WTI. We have scrapped both data with my team, me. So he has scrapped WTI data, and myself have scrapped this Brent data. Okay. Okay, you can also use this command, describe table name. Sorry, you have to put the semicolon here. Okay, so this is the table, the column for the table, and also the data type that we have created just now. Okay, then we move next. Once we have created the database, the table, the data warehouse is ready to load the data from the CSV file into this table. Okay, how to load? We just need to use this command, load data local in path. This is where your CSV files is located. Override into tables. This is your table name. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm going to load into the new table that we have created just now, WTI test. Okay, this is my data, and enter. Okay, you can see here, it only took for about 0.5 seconds to load all the data. Okay, let me check whether all the data is loaded inside this table from CSV to this data warehouse. We use this command, select star from the table crude oil WTI test. Okay, yeah, this is all the data from CSV file, and we have 3,675 rows from the CSV file. I'm going to show you the CSV file. Sorry. Okay, this is the CSV file. We have 3,676 minus the header. Okay, this is the header. So yeah, we have load all the data from the CSV into this Hive database. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.